Okay, so in this question, we want to figure out the vertical asymptotes, right, for the following function. So what we notice here first, that I cannot factor this out. So if I do the product is -1 and the sum is 6, I'm looking for two numbers there. Product is -1 and 6. So this is not going to give me any answer. So x squared plus 6x minus 1, I cannot factor it. However, I can factor the bottom one, right? Now, if I cannot factor the top one, so there is no simplification. So I can go ahead and set up the denominator, which is x cubed plus 2x squared minus 25x minus 50 equals to 0 in order to find the asymptotes, right? So this is for terms. The way to factor for terms is to factor by grouping. So I'm going to factor the first two. It can be x squared in factor of x plus 2. And here they have minus 25 in factor. So it can be minus 25 times x plus 2 again equals to 0. So x plus 2 is the same. All right. So I'm going to factor it out as well. So it's going to be x plus 2, open the parentheses, and you put whatever remaining here, whatever x squared minus 25, right? So x squared minus 25 equals to 0. So I noticed that x squared minus 25 is the difference of squares, so I have to factor it again. So it's going to be x plus 2 times the difference of squares. It's going to be x minus 5 times x plus 5 equals to 0. All right, so this is a product of three terms, and it's going to be equals to 0. The zero factor theorem is going to give me either each one of them is going to be 0, x plus 2 is 0, or x minus 5 is 0, or x plus 5 is 0. So the first one is going to give me x is going to be minus 2. Second one, x is going to be a 5, and the third one, x equals to minus 5. So now if I consider this equation as the equation of a line, this is going to be a vertical asymptote, the second one, and this is the third vertical asymptote. Therefore, the graph h of x has 3 vertical asymptotes, and the equation are x equals to minus 2, x equals to 5, and x equals to minus 5. And that's all.